think it's frozen. These boy friends with know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important, but I'm a lock out. Don't play with the... Someone come on throw my heart, I think it's frozen.
I said the camera's so good and I pulled it up and it's greasy.
Guys, welcome back to another video, man. My boy Old Man Caddy brought out the CTS-V. Damn, boy. Corsa exhaust. Oh shit, supercharged V8. Brought out the cat supercharged V8. Follow my boy Karma Caddy V on Instagram, man. But we're about to cruise down to a meet, make these content for you guys. Which one you guys taking? You taking the blue Hellcat? You taking the white V? Oh, he taking the V. Shit, I wanted the V too, but he was his dream car, so I had to go cat. But yeah, put a white heart in the comments for the V, put a blue heart in the comments for the cat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Hopefully it's gonna be lit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, ain't no tread back there, bro. Plus he just got brand new Michelin, so when he got me tonight, you know why? Yo, this shit about to be lit, bro. Here we go, guys. I'm sure you guys underneath the bonnets, man. Then we got a LT4 supercharged V8. You know what I'm saying? 6.2 liters Hemi supercharged V8 with that green color, though. They're both 6.2. Hey, man running me out of shot. Okay, sir, no problem. Guys, I hope you guys gonna enjoy this video, man. We're trying to make these contents for you guys. Yo, them look sick, yo. That's a nice two-car combo right there. We family guys, you know what I'm saying? So we need 4 doors. That boy on my ass, yo. Look at it. Wait, you want to race? 40. Yeah, you went fully sideways just now. Shit, right here. I can get a view. Hopefully it's gonna look good because I won't have time to check. So hopefully this shit gonna look good. Driving my boy in the CTS-V, man. He gonna get me off the dig every single time. He just put them brand new tires on that shit. That V is fast as shit, I ain't gonna lie. That V is super fast. Go, my boy, go, 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 go. boy in the CTS-V, man. Spinning. Hear them pops. Damn, that pop sounds sweet. And just like that, we got them boys. Calm and collected, right? We just filled up gas too. This shit, see 200 and something when I filled up. But hey, you know, once the night started at gas station, it's gonna be a good ass night, man. In third gear. There's a corner. Boy, revving too. That shit gripping. Race, you ready? Let's do a good race. Ready? Ready? After this car. Ready? Oh shit, light change. We're not gonna get a chance to do a good race. Nah, not at all. So I mean, we're just gonna take it back. We're gonna go to the spot that we're going to, and then if this video is long enough, stay tuned to the next one to see the car meet, man. Which I don't know if my boy Chris gonna make it to the car meet. Something just came up, so we're just doing the cruise real quick on the way to his spot. But yeah, we're gonna still go to the meet though. Gotta make this content for you guys, man. Every 2 days, right? Ready? Ready? We made it.